And now for the last scenario in this segment. We are looking at a company that seems desperate for funds. Not only are they offering their debenture issue at a discount, but are also promising to redeem them at a premium. By now we know the shortfall in the receipt of consideration is accounted as discount on issue of debentures. Also, we know that we have to provide for the premium that we will have to pay 5 years down the line to redeem the same debentures. In the absence of any instructions, the loss is booked at the time of allotment. With this in mind, let's restate the flow of the consideration under the two stages of application and allotment and its spread between the debentures and discount on issue. Debentures of nominal value of 1000 issued at a 10% discount should bring in a total consideration of rupees 900. We are told that the application amount is 500, the balance to be collected on allotment. The balancing figure then is rupees 400, which is collected as the installment under the allotment stage. We are aware that the company has issued debentures with a face value of rupees 1000 each and is thus liable for the whole value and not just 900, which it has received as consideration. The debenture account should reflect this. To accomplish this, the deficit or the corresponding debit will be accounted as discount on issue of debentures. Now moving on to the journal entries. The application stage, two entries. First, the receipt of application money into the debenture application account, and second, the immediate transfer of the credit in this account to the debentures account. Next, the allotment stage. Again, two events, the due date for allotment and then actual receipt of cash under the allotments. But first, the entry on the due date. On this date, the amount recoverable under the stage is recorded in the debenture allotment account. We are aware that the debenture account should now reflect the full face of the debenture issued, and thus the balance rupees 500 for each debenture issued is credited to the debenture account. The difference between the amount which has been credited to the debenture account and the amount that has been recorded as recoverable in the debenture allotment account on account of discount is accounted as discount on issue of debentures. In addition, loss on account of premium payable on redemption of debentures is also accounted by debiting the loss on issue of debentures account. The corresponding credit is carried forward under the account head of premium on redemption of debentures account. As stated in the previous scenario, it is to be noted that the entry is being passed at the time of accounting for the issue of debentures at the allotment stage and not at the time of redemption of debentures, which may happen sometime down the line. The debenture allotment account is eventually closed when monies are recovered against it under the allotment stage.